A brand new AI tool just dropped that lets you describe a video in plain English and it builds the entire thing for you, the script, the voiceover, the footage, the captions, all of it. In just a few minutes, no camera, no editing software, no team. And the tool causing all this is HeyGen's brand new video agent that just got released. If you've ever wanted to put out video content but didn't have the time, the face, or the editing skills, this is about to remove every single excuse you had. So let me walk you through exactly what this thing does and a few ways people are already using it to build entire content businesses. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited, so here's what just happened. HeyGen released a video agent that takes a simple text description and turns it into a full multi-scene talking video. You pick vertical or landscape, you pick how long you want it, anywhere from 15 seconds all the way up to 3 minutes, and you can even stitch multiple clips together if you want something longer. Then you choose your asset, your own AI avatar, someone else's avatar, or no avatar at all, just AI generated footage. You type out what you want the video to be about, and the tool builds an entire plan around it, the topic, the audience, the tone, the script, the voice, all before it even generates a single frame. And here's the part that really stood out to me. You don't write the script. The AI writes it for you based on what you described, and it builds the captions, picks background footage that actually matches the topic, and lays the whole thing out scene by scene. So if you wanted a video about, say, how a certain app's algorithm works, you'd type that in, and a few minutes later, you'd have a fully scripted, fully voiced, fully captioned video ready to publish. No writer's block, no staring at a blank page wondering how to start. Now, here's where it gets a little wild. You can train this on your own face and your own voice, so it creates a digital version of you that can host videos without you ever sitting in front of a camera again. But you don't have to use yourself at all. You can upload a photo of someone who isn't even a real person, an AI-generated image, and the tool will animate it, give it a voice, and have it talk like it's a real human sitting there delivering monologue. The voice matching on this is genuinely impressive. It picks a voice that actually fits the face without you telling it which one to use. And it's not a one and done black box either. Once the video is created, you can go in and edit almost everything. Swap out the music, change the voice, rewrite parts of the script, adjust the background, change the b-roll, translate the whole thing into another language. So you're not stuck with whatever it spits out first, you're using it as a starting point and then shaping it into exactly what you want, scene by scene, if you need to. Here's a use case that I think most people are going to miss. You can upload a PowerPoint or a PDF, and this tool will turn it into a fully narrated video. You can use your existing slides as the background, or have it generate a script from your speaker notes, or just let it auto-generate one based on the content. Think about what that means for anyone who's ever made a presentation, a training, or a walkthrough. Instead of that slide deck sitting in a folder being seen once, it becomes an actual video you can publish, repurpose, or use for training new people. A presentation that used to live and die in one meeting can now become content forever. And the last use case that really got me is the product ad generator. You upload a photo of a product, pick an AI avatar to feature it, and the tool generates a UGC-style ad, the kind of casual talking to camera video you'd normally pay a creator to film. You write a quick script or let it write one, and it generates a video of that avatar holding and talking about your product like a real customer would. Even small details like the sound of a hand tapping the product come through sounding completely real. For anyone running an online store or selling a physical product, that's an entire ad campaign that used to require hiring a creator, shipping them the product, and waiting days for footage. Now, done in minutes from your laptop. So zoom out for a second because this is bigger than just cool new AI tool. This changes who's able to make video content at all. You don't need to be comfortable on camera. You don't need an editing team. You don't need to be the bottleneck in your own content anymore. Whether it's you, an avatar, or a completely AI-generated person, the content can keep getting made around the clock. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't need a day off. It doesn't need retakes because Someone messed up a line. There are already entire YouTube channels running on nothing but AI generated avatars and AI generated scripts, and most people watching have no idea. So here's my honest take on this. Tools like this are closing the gap between having an idea and actually having a finished video. The technical skill that used to be required, the filming, the editing, the voiceover work, all of that is getting automated out of the process. And when that barrier disappears, the only thing that actually matters anymore is whether you have something worth saying. The people who figure that out first, who stop waiting until they have the gear or know how to edit and just start putting out content using tools like this, are the ones who are going to build an audience while everyone else is still convincing themselves they're not ready. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.